guys, we're gonna play Avatar World. This is the new airport. Where I go to? Why in the? Who is this? She's so pretty. And let's continue the video. Where's the parents? We're gonna play. Oh, we're gonna play Avatar World. And Dad is sleeping. Bye. I'm going cell phone. Sorry for dog. I'm going to chat my parents. Let's go, my little baby. La 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 la. I'm going to stores too, and thank you for watching. Going to play games. And where is the toad? Go sleep, little baby. And let's get some new stuff, guys. Let's go downstairs. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh my god. What is this? How to get this, guys, back? My god. My fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I get the new pack. Oh my god. Yes, I will get the new pack. I love Avatar World so much. Sorry for the noise. I mean, yes. I love Avatar World. Let's get all of these one by one. Because I love this furniture. Guys, like and subscribe if you love. Oh no. Let's do a part 2.